Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Muhammad Umar. I'm your welcome to my class. Let's start our lecture. Here's the bridging. I hope you have solved it. And here's the answer of that. Today is belief number 16. Identify and use personal pronouns, he, she, it, they, her, so on, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, and indefinite pronoun. What are pronouns? Pronouns are used to avoid repetition problem. For example, if you are talking about Ali and you use his name again and again, to avoid this repetition, we use pronouns. Words used in the place of noun to avoid repetition and make sentence clear and smooth. For example, Ali is my friend, Ali is very kind. We just use he instead of Ali. Ali is my friend, he is very kind. Similarly, the books are on the table, the books are new. For this, we can use these are new to avoid the repetition. They are new. Then we have personal pronoun. Words used strictly in place of specific noun. They come in two different types depending on their job in the sentence. We use it in the place of subject or object according to their function. For subjective pronoun, the doer, we use I, you, he, she, it, we, they. And we use it in the place of subject. Then we have objective pronoun, which we use in the place of object because it receives the action. And the pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, them, etc. Then the second type is demonstrative pronoun. In this, we point out something. The pointers used to point out specific people or thing. We point a thing which is near us or which is far from us. Who is that standing at the door? Let's see. For near, we use this. This is Hina's dress. And if the thing is far from us, we use that for a singular subject. That is my mother's purse. For plurals, we use these words. These are the hands. And if the things or objects are far from us, we use those. But those are ducks. Then we have third type, interrogative pronoun. These pronouns are used to question. The questionnaires, the word used exclusively to ask questions and gather information. And we have who, whose, what, which, whom as an interrogative pronoun. For example, who is your football coach? Which one do you prefer? Whose pen is this? With whom is the principal talking? All these pronouns are used to gather information, ask questions. That's why we call it information extractor or interrogative pronoun. Then we have fourth type, which is reciprocal pronoun. There are two reciprocal pronouns, each other and one another. Each other is used when the action is referring between two persons or two things. And we use one another when there are more than two persons or two things. It used to show a mutual action or relationship. For example, Tania and Anila like each other. Here are two subjects. That's why we use each other reciprocal pronoun. The team members supported one another. Here, the team members, there are more than two persons in the team. That's why we are using one another. They gave each other presents. Then apostrophe rule. Here's a rule for you. Each other and one another are treated as singular. The possessive apostrophe always comes before the S. They respected each other's opinion. Here we use apostrophe. The players blocked one another's numbers. Here's the formative check. Solve it in your class. and here's a homework, solve it at your home. I hope this lecture will be helpful for you. Okay बच्चों, अल्लाह हाफिज.